Let me show you guys how you can start using Morelogin for user interviews. Alright, so Morelogin is a app or website that helps you get anti-detect browser. Okay, so I'll show you guys step by step on how you can use it. So firstly, go to your Chrome browser and search for Morelogin exe, right? So when you search it, we'll be able to download Morelogin. Click on download anti-detect browser right there. Alright, when you click on download, automatically it will start downloading. Okay, so as you can see, say thanks for your download. Right there, after downloading it, it will be able to be installed on your laptop. Okay, so because I have it on my laptop, I'll just remove it. Now you see profiles, you see proxy, you see where you can add proxies or purchase proxies. Alright, so there's a place where it says billing and every other thing like that. Okay, so when you come to billing right here, you'll be able to top up your balance and all that, because you actually need it to be able to create a profile. Okay, so for those of you that don't know about anti-detect browser, I will leave the meaning of it in the description. Alright, so here you see you have a lot of payment method. Okay, so anyone that fits you can use. So right here, let's go back to profiles, and then we'll click on new profile right there. So right here you see Firefox and Chrome. Let me leave it at Chrome. Windows, I'll leave it at Windows, and here I only want to create a one profile, so I'll leave it like that. Then end-to-end encryption, if you want, here just click on enable, right? So from there, click on confirm. Alright, so I'll teach you guys how to add proxy. Let me add my encryption key right here, then click on confirm, then let's move on, bro. So from here you see my profile has been created, so but we need to add a proxy. Okay, so we can be browsing without turning on anything at all, you understand? So right here, let me just put SOX 5. If you have a proxy, make sure you put it there. Okay, so here they'll ask you for your username and password for your proxy. Go to motionproxy.com, they have good proxies. Alright, so go to your dashboard if you have signed up, then from here just go to buy proxy right there. Okay, so as you can see, these are their pricing. Okay, in your country it will show your country pricing right there. So let me choose United States. AT&T is more better for me, and I want to use it on one device. If you have other devices, you can choose it. Alright, so from there you just click on continue to checkout. After you have given your proxy, just paste it here. Alright, then yeah, just click on proxy detection right there. Alright, automatically to detect your proxy that it's a USA, then just confirm. As you can see right there, that's my proxy. So from here just click on start, so we can start browsing, you understand? So what we allow us to do is to browse without adding proxy to our laptop or any other at all, you understand? So as you can see, this is United States, so anything I'm browsing from this browser, it is in United States, you understand? So let me just go to ipscore.io right there. As you can see, this is the proxy, alright, with 0 first score. So now if you want to start making money online, you can just search any website you want to make money from. Let's say user testing. So this is user testing right here. Then as you can see, get paid to test. User testing pays you to test. Alright, so from there let's continue. Let me go to user interviews that I show you guys in the first video. Alright, this is the interview that pays you for surveys and other tasks like that. It pays like respondent that I show you guys. So let us stop the browser right here. Okay, so let's continue. Alright, I want to add another profile, right? So when I come here, I'll choose Firefox for this, right? I want to show you guys that you can create multiple profiles for different accounts. Alright, so if you want to do UK, US, Canada, Australia, you can create multiple profiles for yourself instead of trying to delete one and add one. That's why you will need to add your balance. Okay, so I'll add a UK proxy that I get from Motion Proxy, and also you can actually purchase a proxy from them. They sell proxies. As you can see, the residential proxy costs around $13 to $14, you understand? Because that's the cost. But if it's very costly for you, why don't go to Motion Proxy to get the proxy, you understand? So they have ISP as well that costs 11.50 cents, you understand? Very, very cheap as well, you understand? So here just put in your proxy and go below, then click on proxy detection. Automatically your proxy will be showing the country you put in, which is mine is United Kingdom, right? So just click on confirm right there. So let's wait. Okay, right now just click on start. You'll see your proxy will be start. the proxy will start. Sorry, so as you can see, let's just search for respondent right here. You see, okay, respondent. Automatically it will take you to your browser where you can join respondent, as you can see. So let's just tap on participate in research studies, right? As you can see, so automatically my account is now in United Kingdom. So if you want to use Morelogin wisely, right? Create your profile, put in your proxy, and automatically you are good to go. Anything you are searching on that browser will be in that country you have put in. You can pull even up to 100 countries. Okay, so yeah.